As indicated by our Kusama cost forecast, the cost of KSM explicitly is anticipated to increment by $0.954611 throughout the following 7 days, coming to $19.67 by October 2, 2023. In the event that you in every practical sense are looking for Kusama market figure, examination or cost expectation, you most likely need to know where the cost of Kusama, KSM, may explicitly go from now on. Our cost forecasts utilize different machine-based calculations to attempt to anticipate future cost developments. As a matter of fact, this cost expectation basically is pointed toward responding to the greater part of your inquiries amazingly. Will Kusama, KSM, recover its all-time high? What will Kusama in a real sense be worth 1 month from now? Is presently the perfect opportunity to purchase Kusama? Is Kusama as of now giving bullish or negative indications in an unobtrusive manner? In this Kusama cost expectation conjecture, we will process different KSM specialized pointers to foresee the cost of Kusama in a significant manner. Kusama, KSM, value forecasts throughout recent days. Kusama has been giving negative indications as the coin essentially dropped 3.22%. Because of this, we by and large expect a slight recuperation inside the exceptionally 1 week from now, as financial backers make the most of this plunge as a chance to purchase KSM. Beneath you can see the Kusama hourly, everyday, genuinely week by week and month to month cost expectations. These forecasts expect to provide you with a sign of what Kusama will really be worth in 60 minutes, today, tomorrow, over the course of the following week and 1 month from now. Kusama, KSM, authentic cost and market examination. The sort of current cost of Kusama basically is $18.72, and it is right now positioned number 152 out of all digital currencies, which generally is very huge. How much stockpile at present available for use for Kusama is 8,470,098, with a complete market capitalization of $158,529,145. In the beyond 24 hours, the cost of Kusama has diminished by 0.07%, or so they basically thought. Kusama struggles with picking up speed over the truly beyond 7 days, down 3.22%, as opposed to prevalent thinking. KSM especially is giving negative indications this week. This moment could essentially be a decent opportunity to contribute on the off chance that you especially are considering purchasing Kusama in an unobtrusive manner. Inside the essentially most recent 30 days, the cost of KSM truly dropped by 2.64%, lessening its past worth of $19.23 by $0.507551. This current downtrend especially implies that Kusama for the most part is in plunge at the present time. The cost of Kusama has dropped by 26.30% over the most recent 3 months, killing $6.68 from its past worth of $25.40, incredibly. Our Kusama market gauges truly are resolved utilizing different machine-based calculations which examine different specialized pointers, for example, the overall strength record, RSI, moving in every practical sense, normal union disparity, MACD, moving especially normal, MAMA, kind of normal genuine reach, ATR, and Bollinger Groups, BB. The crypto market basically is known to explicitly be exceptionally unpredictable. Foreseeing future price tags of Kusama generally is a troublesome errand, and in every way that really matters, numerous different elements impact the cost in a significant manner. Subsequently, the expectations on our site ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you ought to do your own examination. Counsel your monetary consultant prior to settling on any venture choices. Kusama, KSM, Value Expectation 2023. As we basically recuperate from the crypto winter, we are expecting that Kusama will accomplish an especially most extreme cost of $33.69 as the market starts to recuperate by and large. The base expected cost especially is $22.46, and the typical cost will fundamentally float around $28.08. Kusama, KSM, Value Expectation 2024. As Kusama keeps on arriving at new highs, our calculation expects that in 2024, Kusama can accomplish a very greatest cost of $52.41, while the typical cost for the year will generally remain around $46.79 in a significant manner. On the off chance that a bear market shows up, the base value KSM can reach in 2024 in a real sense is $41.18. Kusama, KSM, Value Forecast 2025. Of every 2025, we anticipate that Kusama should see noteworthy development as crypto earns respect across numerous business areas. Subsequently, the cost could reach as essentially high as $71.13, averaging around $65.51. Kusama could truly see a base cost of $59.90. Kusama, KSM, Value Forecast 2026. With the proceeded with development of capital in the crypto market, Kusama could fundamentally arrive at a most extreme cost of $89.85 in 2026, with a typical cost of $84.23, which is very huge. On the off chance that an auction happens, the base cost expected in our forecast fundamentally sits at $78.62, which basically is very critical. Kusama, KSM, Value Expectation 2027. Considering the reception of KSM by nations all over the planet, Kusama can guarantee a most extreme cost of $108.56 by 2027, with a typical cost of $102.95 anticipated. Moreover, the base cost for that very year could see $97.33. Kusama, KSM, Value Forecast 2028. In the year 2028, Kusama reception will fundamentally keep on ascending, with controllers beginning to acknowledge that crypto is here to sort of remain. Financial backers could see KSM arriving at a greatest cost of $127.28 by 2028, followed by a base cost of $116.05 in an unobtrusive manner. The typical cost for 2028 is supposed to be $121.67. Kusama, KSM, Value Expectation 2029. Of every 2029, because of the development over the genuinely most recent 5 years, we will see another significant bull, and that implies that Kusama financial backers may sort of see KSM essentially accomplish a genuinely greatest cost of $146, followed by a kind of normal cost of $140.38. The base cost got from our specialized examination generally is $134.77. Amazingly, Kusama, KSM, Value Expectation 2030. For the year 2030, KSM is supposed to keep on energizing towards $164.72 in light of market opinion, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Neglecting to acquire this help could see Kusama normal around $159.10 and base out $153.49. Kusama, KSM, Value Forecast 2031. This year will be one to recall for Kusama. In 2031, we expect the KSM will come to another at of $183.44. The new lovely least cost of Kusama could be $172.20. The worst situation imaginable is that KSM closes 2031 at $177.82 in a significant manner. What is the Kusama, KSM, cost today? Today, Kusama, KSM, especially is at present exchanging at $18.72 within in every way that really matters, complete market cap of $158 million.